Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Come on, this way.
Situation is under yours. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. I have information on the girl. All clear over here.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Stuck up? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mama, go lucky.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
We're decontaminating. The presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately interrogated it with
I'm watching you. Always watching.
Hi, Ross!
That's right. Nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.
we responded to a
We have everything under control.
Watch your step, exit all the way out. Watch your step, all the way out. Scare feet.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.